Hi Year 4, this is Thursday's maths lesson, and as always we kickstart with a calculation starter. So got another times tables song. So on our home learning page there'll be a link to go to our times tables song. So click on that link now and listen to our times table songs, learning your times tables. Pause the video now and then come back. Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the song. So today we are going to tell the time in 24 hour. So yesterday we did AM and PM, so we'll continue practicing our AMs and PMs, and we'll be converting that into 24-hour time. Now you might see 24-hour time on mobile phones, you might see them on watches, if you've got a digital watch, you might see them on your iPad, and this will help you just tell the time in 24 hour. So just before I go into what is on the slide, so 24 hour time, so we know there is 24 hours in the day, and the first 12 hours of the day, so from midnight through till lunchtime at 12 o'clock noon, is your AM, and then after 12 noon at lunchtime, the next 12 hours are all PM. And when it's on 24-hour time, that's when it all changes from 12 o'clock noon right through until midnight. So I'll talk you through it. So on the screen, the time is 1 o'clock. And I'm going to write that in my first digital time up here as digital, and it's going to be a PM. So it's 1 o'clock. So it'd be 0, 1. Oh, crumbs. I want a 0 in that one, and I want a 1 in that box. So remember, those first two boxes that I'm circling with my cursor is the hour. And then these two boxes after are minutes. And because it's o'clock, it would just be 0, 0. PM. Okay, so we know PM is the afternoon. So it's just after lunchtime. So in the 24-hour time, once we get to lunchtime at 12, we're just going to keep counting 1 on. So it's been 1 whole hour after 12, and 12 add 1 is 13. So we'll have 13 there, and then 0, 0. Okay, and that means it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So you're just counting on. If I got to 2 o'clock, that would be 14. 3 o'clock would be 15. 4 o'clock would be 16. 5 o'clock would be, where have I got to? 16, 17. I'll go through this a little bit further on the next few slides. But you're just adding 1 on each time. Then when you get to 11, that one is 23. And then it goes right through to the hour. And then I'll explain what 12 o'clock midnight is in a moment. So here we go. I have got, it's 5:45 in the evening. I know it's in the evening or afternoon because it's PM. So I'm just circling that with my cursor. So in my 12-hour digital time, I would write 0 there, and it's going to be 4. Because it's not quite 5 o'clock yet. My hour is 4. And if you can see my hour hand, the shorter hand, it's not quite at the 5 yet, but it's very close there. So my hour is 4 o'clock. And then I'm going to write my minutes in. And well done if you already guessed or said that is 45 minutes past 4 p.m. So to convert that into 24-hour time, I am going to start with my 12 o'clock here. So it's 12, lunchtime. So I've had the first 12 hours. Then I'm just going to use my mouse actually here. And I'm going to count. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 4 o'clock is 16 in 24-hour time. So it's the 16th hour of the day. Then my minutes is 45. My minutes stay the same. Okay, so you could think of it as it's been 16 hours of the day. Okay, moving on to this one then. So there's another PM. So the time is, well, 10 to 7. So it's not quite 7 o'clock yet. We have got 10 minutes until 7. So why don't you have a go now at writing 10 to 7 in your digital time here for me, please. You can pause the video now and have a go at doing that. Okay, well done. If you gave that a go, let's see if you've got that correct. I'm sure you have, because you are smashing. So the hour is 6 o'clock. It's not quite 7 yet. So I'd write 0, 6 there. So the hour is still 6 o'clock. And minutes. How many minutes is it past 6 o'clock? Now I know from the lesson we had on Monday, I think it was Monday or Tuesday, where we were doing the nearest 5 minutes, we had the clock on the screen. And I know if it's pointing to the 10, it's 50 minutes. So I'd write 50 here, like so. Good job. So, now we're going to convert that into 24-hour time. Now, why don't you give that a go? Remember, you're counting from 12 and you're just adding one on each time. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and so on. Give it a go. See what you get. Pause the video now. Okay, welcome back if you gave that a go. So I'm going to count on, I'm going to see what hour it is. I'm getting to 6, so I know the hour's on 6. So I'm going to go 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, there we go. So I'll write 18 in here. Whoops, 18, not 17. And the minutes is going to stay the same, so it's still 50 minutes. Okay. So well done if you got that correct. Let's have a look on the next page. Oh, here we go. So on this page, we have got some times at the top in analog, and it's got the AM and PM after. And I want you to match the digital time at the bottom, the 24-hour digital time, to the analog clock above. So pause the video and have a go at that now. Okay, welcome back if you pause the video and had a go at these questions. So let's start off with this time on here. So I'm circling it with my cursor. It's an AM, so AM is in the morning, and it is 10 past 7. So I'm going to have a little look at my digital clocks along the bottom. Now I can see on my first one, it's 13:10. Not sure that quite fits. I can see 07:10. That makes a bit more sense. It's 10 past 7 in the morning. So I'm going to draw a line matching that one. So well done if you got that correct. My next analog clock here is, the time is 20 past 9 p.m. So I need to convert that into 24-hour time because it's p.m. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to count the hours, add them on. So it's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so I'm going to finish at 9 because it's 20 past 9. So it's been 21 hours of the day. And if I look at my bottom, I can see in this one over here that I'm circling with my cursor that it says 21 here. So it's the hour and it says 20 past there. So I'm going to match that one up. Okay. Then the next one is another PM and it's 10 past 1 PM. So I'm going to count again. It's going to go 12, add on 1, 13. So I need to find a digital time on my hour bit that says 13. And I can see that one's over here. And I'm going to just double check my minutes. It's 10 minutes. Yeah, that's the one. There we go. And I got the last one here. Now, I could just match that up, but I'm just going to double check that that is a correct match. So this is an AM time and it's 1:45. So it's 1:45, which is 50 minutes until 1 o'clock. And it's middle of the night. So at this time, you should all be sound asleep. Now, in 24-hour time, we would write the hour, if it's 12 o'clock, the hour 12 o'clock. Sorry if I haven't explained that very well. So start of a new day, that first hour of a new day is just 00. And then we've got 45 minutes there. Okay. And then it would just add on one each time, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours, 12 hours. That's all our AMs done. And then we are going to move on to PM and still keep adding on. So it's 13, 14 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours, 17 hours, 18 hours, 19 hours, 20 hours, 21 hours, 22 hours, 23 hours, and then it starts again at 0 for a new day. I hope that makes sense to you all. If it doesn't and you need a bit more of an explanation, then please just drop me an email and I'll do my best to put up another video of me explaining 24-hour time. Remember you can always ask your parents or siblings to help you with this. And just let me know if you need any help or have any questions. So on our home learning page, there will be a maths worksheet to have a go at, focusing on our 24-hour time. And then tomorrow for maths, we will be doing a quiz. So there won't be a worksheet, it'll just be a video of me doing a quiz with you, which is really exciting. And then we'll start a new unit of maths next week. So just remember to keep practicing your time at home as well, because it takes a little while to know how to tell the time, and some people might just need a little bit more time to be confident with telling the time. So have a good day, everybody. Enjoy the maths work, and I'll see you soon. Bye.